My name is Menchi Maneva and I have chosen to research the Carnaby black cockatoos that are going towards extinction due to habitat loss. They are iconic bird for Western Australia, commonly found in the Perth Pill region and the Jarrah forest, recognized by the white patches on their cheeks and the white tail and a willow call. If you had to choose one of these environments, what would your choice be? Did you know they mate for life and they only produce one hatchling each mating season? Out of the 2 eggs, usually one survives most of the time given to right conditions of food and water in close proximity of 7 kilometers. A new house takes around 20 weeks to build, meaning it takes 20 weeks for us to destroy a whole habitat of these magnificent birds. These build nests in 100-year-old eucalyptus trees suitable for 1 meter deep holes where they usually lay their eggs. The primary food source is nectar and seeds from Banksia eucalyptus, Haikea, Jarrah and Murray plants, making them natural pollinators. Each time we are comfortable in a new home, we make them uncomfortable in their habitat. In the last 50 years, the population of Carnaby black cockatoos has decreased by 50%. If we continue at this rate, with nothing done, they will go extinct. Can you sacrifice all of this for style of luxury and then create museums with virtual reality and travel miles to a zoo to see these magnificent birds and hear their songs? Fast population growth equals urbanization. By 2050, Perth and the Peel regions are expected to reach 3.5 million. With more land clearing, fewer breeding, feeding and roosting grounds exist. Loss and fragmentation of natural habitat pushes them to move closer to urban areas, resulting in them flying over roads and being injured by traffic. Only small numbers make it to be nursed by the locals due to be released back into the wild. Cutting down mature trees means fewer hollow nests for them to breed, due to high competition with other birds and bees. Having a low rate of reproduction of only one hatchling per year and the need for specific condition continues the population decline, with currently only 40,000 birds left. They have readjusted to use the pine trees forest in Pinjar, but now that is also set up for clearing to save water resources with given revegetation plan. This is currently will add to decline because these birds have faced starvation by the time the new plant population grows and produce the sufficient amount of food. The biggest reason we should care about these birds is that even with so much information, research and planning, their numbers are continuing to decline by 4% each year, with only around 40,000 left at present. Carnaby black cockatoos are not only loved by locals, but they also provide the necessary human connection to nature. Research has shown that communities with those opportunities close to their habitat have fewer mental illness cases. Losing these species will mean we have lost our natural pollinators, seed spreaders and pest controllers. If their numbers continue to decrease, we will be facing the extinction of experience and loss of ecological balance. Much research is being done and information is made available to the public about protecting what natural habitat is left by government bodies. This has also led to another mitigation strategy that helps breeding process of Carnaby black cockatoos by placing artificial hollow nests with their natural breeding environment. Researchers have worked on replicating and making artificial hollow nests, setting them on private community properties, organizations to raise funds for so-called cockatoos. Every year, the Australian BirdLife Organisation conducts a survey called the Great Cocky Count, involving community members through education programs on how to help to collect data on current numbers in the nature around the Perth Peel area. Many articles in the news have proven to be a powerful tool for spreading the word about the current situation of these magnificent birds. Another way of education is through media. The movie Rio is another example of teaching the community on international level about macaw birds and their extinction due to urbanization. Put the effort together, we can have nice living areas and preserve nature with proper plan and research. We can work together to save the species from extinction. Therefore, I urge you, if you can, support organizations like BirdLife Australia. Donate for more artificial nests to be placed around to help with breeding programs. Please spread the word through the community about the impact of the ecosystem and the consequences that happen directly from our actions. Preserve and plant native trees in your backyards. Remember, in lockdowns, natural habitats were the only things helping us to push through it. Help save these birds to restore the balance in the ecosystem.